Welcome back to Epic World Projects. Today we're diving into the latest update on FC Barcelona's legendary Spotify Camp Nou. And this week there's big news. The club has just confirmed their official return to the stadium for an open training session on November 7th, marking the first time players set foot back inside after more than 2 years. We'll also break down how construction is moving along from the new cantilevers to the glass façade and parking areas. Stick around. It's an exciting one. After more than 2 years, Barcelona are finally returning to the Spotify Camp Nou. On November 7th, the first team will hold an open training session in front of 23,000 fans. A symbolic moment and a live test before the stadium's gradual reopening. This open session will serve as a full technical test, from access systems to sound. Tickets cost €5 for members, €10 for the public, with proceeds going to charity. Hansi Flick's men train at 11 a.m., marking Phase 1A of the reopening plan. The 3 main stands are almost complete, with finishing touches near both goals. Outer walls and access roads are taking shape. The next major milestone, the long-awaited roof installation. At the south goal, prefabricated seats and pillars are being installed daily. Around Camp Nou, parking areas are nearly complete, with only small unfinished patches left. Prefab stairs and supports are ready for installation as crews move toward final details like ceilings and overhangs. Aerial platforms are installing the small anchor parts that hold up the slats. These have now reached the corners, turning the outer shell into a precise mechanical puzzle coming together piece by piece. Activity at the south goal continues non-stop. Workers are sealing cracks, repairing slabs, and adjusting pistons to stabilize the structure before the upper layers add more weight. Concrete pouring for the third cantilever is well underway. The upper tiers now have their hollow slabs in place, and reinforcement mesh will soon be added to complete this major structural phase. At the north goal, new beams and supports are being installed while finishing touches, like bolts and paintwork, bring structure and detail together. If you enjoyed this week's Camp Nou update, hit that like button and subscribe to Epic World Projects. We've got new visuals coming every week. The roof phase is just around the corner, and trust me, things are about to get a lot more dramatic. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next update.